Did you catch that unusual uptick in hardware sentiment? With a sentiment score of plus 0.52 and a notable drop in momentum at minus 0.25, this is a clear signal that something is shifting in the sentiment landscape. You're seeing a divergence from the historical norm where sentiment typically hovers lower, indicating a potential turning point in consumer perception. Our API returns deep insights based on this data, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and detailed semantic clusters. With 19 semantic clusters to play with, you can drill down into what specifically is driving this sentiment spike. Imagine using this insight to inform product development or marketing strategies, ensuring you align with evolving consumer preferences. For more on how to leverage this data in your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.